Hi guys, and welcome to 87 Beach Road, Atatu, Peninsula, West Auckland. Now this property is only 15 kilometres from the CBD of Auckland. 15 kilometres. It is a very small infill housing project. There's only 8 1 and 2 bedroom townhouses, and we're expecting this to sell really quickly. We've only just got it. It's just been launched now. Median price in this location is $871,000, and you can buy these from $530,000 for the ones, $725,000 for the twos. They range between 56 metres and 73 metres. They're pre-tax positive. That's after all costs, rent less all costs. They're positive to the tune of $3,800 to $7,500 per annum. $7,500 to $3,800 per annum pre-tax positive. Only 8 in this location. We look at this suburb, and this is completely at 6 o'clock. Brand new product, infill housing, a lot of old housing in the location, and an expensive suburb where we're selling it well under the median. Pretty hard to go wrong in that sort of environment when you're only 15 kilometres from the CBD of Auckland. We don't think these are going to last. You can lock one up during the lockdown period. The developer will hold them in contract until we go down to category 3 or level 3. So what have you got to lose? Our team can help you talk through the contract, and we've looked at all the due diligence clauses, and we're comfortable with it. You can get out of it for any reason. So you can take a conditional option on these properties by putting them under contract during this lockdown, because we believe all 8 are going to sell very quickly. 87 Beach Road, Atatu Peninsula. Check it out. Click on the email, and hopefully see you on opening, finishing middle of next year. So you get capital growth whilst it's being built. Thank you.